education are the spirit and soul of virtues. Therefore, the braves deserves the best. Be bold to take great steps towards your dream. You cannot cross a chasm with just 2 small steps. Courage is what we desire to get to the promised land. And finally, I will urge all of you, be brave and be courageous to achieve your dreams and objectives and live your dream. Remember, fortune smiles upon only the brave. Thank you, and God bless you.
He reminded us that our desire to succeed is greater than the fear of failure. Otherwise, nothing can be achieved. And today is the 10th annual Woman-Child Legacy Symposium. And please, on the next agenda, let's make welcome a woman among women. A role model. I cannot see the excitement. Like, you're not happy to see this woman. Let's make welcome Dr. Hilary Thompson. Thank you. I can't believe it is 10 years. I thank you all for turning up. I am so happy to be here today, to see all your lovely faces once again. Thank you very much. Now, when we consider this year's theme for the International Day of the Girl Child, our time is now, our rights, our future. And you consider our topic, the impact of the girl child education in modern society. And this text presented herein today, for me, it is beyond how august the captions are. It is something we have been fighting for decades. We have been talking about it over and over and over again. It is time to put our hands together collectively and do this one thing. Our time is now. Do you agree with me that the time is now? Yes! The time is now. The time is now to take back what belongs to the girl child. If you look in our villages, in our communities, all over Africa, the girl child is demoralized every time, every day. Trafficking, defilement, molestation, early marriage, early childbirth. It is too much. It is a scourge. And we must stop it. If we don't take it international, if we don't take it local, it will not end. Do you agree with me that it must end? Yes. The defilement of our children, our girl child must end? Yes. Do you agree with me? Yes. It must end. The war is far from over. This is something we must do again and again and again until we achieve results. The girl child is relegated. And it is a shame that we, in our own reasoning, blame these victims. The girl child is the victim. We blame this victim when we see her in early pregnancy. We blame her when we see her defiled. No. And then what do we do to the perpetrators? Who are the perpetrators? Those ones who inflict these injuries on this girl child. We let them go scot-free. And then we shamefully, unabashedly put this blame on these younger girls. The girl child must be educated. You must be educated. You must be educated. We all must be educated. Say with me, we must be educated.
We must be educated.
The girl child must be educated.
The girl child must be educated.
Yes. Because when we educate the girl child, we educate a whole generation. Being uneducated is like being in the dark. We are blinded. Do you want to be blinded?
No.
That is why we must be educated, so that our eyes will be open. So that the girl child will have a say in politics. She will have a say outside. She will have a say in her family. She will be strengthened. The woman child, among many things, is an embodiment of capabilities, abilities. She is an incubator of legacies. She's a strong person, and she can hand over this to her legacies, to her children. She is that powerful. And that is why I urge you, as women children, to rise up and speak. Dear woman child, you are not created to give subordinate ideas. Oh no, you are not. You are not an inferior person. Are you an inferior person?
No.
Do you have a voice?
Yes.
You can speak, you have a voice. You are not inferior at all. Your ideas, your dreams, everything about you is valid. You can lead, you can speak, you can do anything you set your heart to do. Let me digress a little bit. You see this picture here? It reeks of dogged determination for survival.
Hey. Pray, you're not hurt.
Sorry, come.
Hey. You brought a daddy.
Are you okay?
I'm cool. Not hot.
What?
Cool.
Oh, you are cool. Oh, I see. So what's your name?
Wokoma.
Okoma. Fine. Please watch where you're going to next time, okay? Mr. Okoma, right? Okay.
Hey, you can say me a mouse or
Beautiful one. Boma.
Alawo, good day.
Yes, a good day it is indeed. And now that I have beheld your face, hi, Tamno, and how it gladdens my heart to see you smile that way. And to think that the strands that put us together has not waned. And even age has not been able to take its toll on your beauty. Hi, Boma.
Please, what have you come to do in my compound? Please sit.
I brought you this fish.
Beautiful one.
Deep from the ocean, very tasty. Good only for the lips of the loved one.
Thank you very much.
I have desired you all these years, but Boma, you don't even look at me.
But I'm looking at you now.
The way a woman should look at a man.
Thanks for that. Mr. Wokoma, why are you stalking me?
I don't know what you talk.
Why are you following me?
Ngwania. To know where you go. Your face I not see for this village before.
Okay. This is my father's house.
Boma, why do you starve me of your love?
Doesn't your wife give you enough love?
Oh, not as much as I need yours. See, I'll give you anything.
Secretary, please go back to your wife and leave my compound.
I have the right to marry as many wives as I desire. Boma, I will give you my name if that is what you want.
Not if it is gold and silver. I will never share my bed with you.
Why do you hate me so much? I have loved you since we were children, but all you give are bundles and bundles of rejections and hatred.
I don't hate you that much. But I will not condescend to that level that will bring me back to disrepute. Now leave my compound.
I am leaving.
Bokome, ine finjia. Agwe.
Thank you.
Abraço, Ebere.
What's the face? Why are you grinning like that?
You is fine. I love you too much.
Okay, thank you. I'll take it off from here, okay? So you go now.
Okay, I come tomorrow see you.
Okay. Come tomorrow and see you. Okiri Forest remains the most dreaded forest up until this day.
But that was a long time ago. Maybe they're not there anymore.
Do not be deceived. They're still there. You see, some brave men that ventured into the forest not so long ago told the tale of how the vicious men ate up their friends.
Hear me. Where are these men now?
That is story for another day. Now I warn you, don't ever venture into Okiri Forest. Do you want to die? Do you want to be eaten up?
No.
Stay away from the forest. It's getting late. The story has taken too long. You all need to go home to your parents. They will be worried. I need to go in and prepare something to eat this evening. You all take care of yourselves.
Yeah, 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 yeah. Strong hero. Yeah, 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 yeah. Strong hero. Yeah, 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 yeah. Tonkri Bopa Bukuma, Ingari Fidokueni Baraswa Soforia, Urubabote. Yeah, 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 yeah.
this is not right. Someone might see us.
Why do you care? You woo me on the road, stream, market. What has changed? It's not secret.
Nothing has really changed, but let's just say maybe I no longer feel anything for you. I don't like you anymore.
You're a liar. I only said I was not ready. And you said you would wait for me. Why are you not avoiding me?
Ebere, I am avoiding you because you have been spoken for.
I'm not going to marry Soboma. He's too old. I'm young. And my mother said...
Your mother said nothing. Forget about your mother. Your mother is only but a woman.
She is still my mother.
Ebere, I know she is still your mother, but she cannot protect you from him. I'm sorry.
Mi tom kri wa fate. Mi tom kri wa fate.
What troubles your heart, my child?
I don't want to marry Soboma.
I have told you that
Mother, you're just a woman. And you cannot do anything to protect me.
Who told you that?
I don't need anyone to tell me. Soboma will invoke Kirikana against me. And there is nothing you or anyone can do.
Mama-in-law.
I am not your in-law.
All the same, what brought you to my house is
My daughter is not meant for you. I have high hopes for her. Besides, I want to ensure she gets educated. And at the right time, she'll find herself a gentle, well-bred young man to marry.
You are saying I'm not good enough.
All I am saying is that she is but a child. She has a bright future, and I intend to ensure she fulfills it.
Well, it is about school. She can always...
You are not listening. I will not have you jeopardize my daughter's future. If you do not desist from this marriage issue, I would let her father know.
Mama. Good to know that your bastard daughter now has a father.
If only you know who he is. You would pray for this earth to open up and swallow you right where you are. He is everything you and your entire generation, past, present, and future, can ever be.
I say move. Yeah, that boy me say. Nancy. Yay! The manga bolo, hingi manga bolo, oh bolo. Yeah. The manga bolo, hingi manga bolo.
Beautiful wife of mine, woman. I love your spirit.
Thank you, my husband.
I love your song more.
Thank you. The manga bolo.
Give me the tune. And I'll sing.
Bolo.
Sisu.
The manga bolo, hingi manga bolo, oh bolo.
Ebere, if this song means that I will soon be expecting suitors, then I love this song.
My daughter is no longer a girl. My daughter is now a woman. Yeah. That is my joy. That is my joy. That is my happiness. Yes, my daughter is now a woman. I am a woman.
In that case, go into the house, take all the igbigi you see there, and buy all the materials for the rites of passage. Invite all the friends, all of them to come for a feast. All! Our suitor will pay highly because I will need the money to marry a new wife.
I am out of the tomb now. What is it you're saying?
Ganma. Woman. Beautiful one.
Leave me.
Can't someone just tease you?
What kind of help just teasing me? Don't tease me. Leave me alone. Leave me.
Auntie Boma! Where is she? Auntie! Auntie Boma! Auntie Boma! Auntie Boma! Auntie Boma! Where is she? Hey! Good morning, Auntie Boma. Good morning. I am Asikia Jackson. Okay, Auntie, it is you. You were just 10 years old the last time I saw you. Please, sit. Thank you. Sit down. Thank you. Auntie, how are you? I'm fine. How is your father? He passed on a year ago. Did you love him that much?
16 years. 16 long years. I thought I had forgotten him. But now, I know that I still loved him.
Why did you leave?
A serving girl. I was a serving girl. And he was my master. What good could possibly have come out of it? Besides, I did not want to break up anyone's home. The whole world would have hated me. They would have condemned me. They would have judged me harshly.
He never stopped talking about you.
I never did.
Your name was on his lips, even at his last moments.
How were his last moments?
I can't say it was entirely peaceful. He suffered stroke for 3 years and was forced to retire from the army. My mother left him while I was at the teacher's training college then. So
Mama, good evening. Good evening, Ma.
This is my father's daughter.
You talk like you are so sure.
Yes. Before his demise, we spoke extensively about you and the possibility that you might have been with a child. Regardless, she has my father's nose and my father's eyes. Auntie Bunwa.
I can tell the other girls that the fair lady is my sister.
Yes, you can if you wish to.
So do you have a brother?
We have a brother, Tamuno Toye. He is a medical doctor and I chose to be a teacher. So tell me, have you decided on what to do yet? Oh, come on. It's okay. Don't worry, okay? It's never too late. Okay? I know and I am very sure that you will make up your mind in time. Come on, put a smile on that face for me. That's it.
I have thought about this effectively, and I believe it's something that would benefit our people.
Yes, it's a good idea.
I think it's a good idea. Because our children must learn to read and write. I will take it to the chiefs, who will see to it that she gets the necessary support that she needs.
Thank you, Alambo.
Have you discussed it with her? Have you discussed it over with her?
Oh, no, not yet, but I will. I have to take my leave now.
Thank you so much. Idi. Tama edugo ime. Ibila mampa wana tuma. Abibrame ere ma bikina bomba hamini nsema mama ospima. Uruju me yure brame bobo. Me ma tangolo me yera siya anytime ina sebariyo.
Asime, let her remain here to help us. Let me assure you, Bikneroma, she will oblige. After all, Boma lived with the highly educated Jackson's family.
Okay. Time no net. Moko anime moko me ya ikana dugote e bok my nekwete toba. Ere maso pa bu kan tan nekwe. Aro kiteke mu peki mate mu koma. Ai na yeme.
See the clothes my sister bought for me. It's very fine. I love them.
Nice.
Matching them out.
really nice.
Oh, Mama, I like them so much.
Beautiful. These are beautiful.
Yes, they are.
Wow.
Mama, thank you so much. I love the dresses.
Let me see that. Really nice.
Wow, I like this
really,
color.
really nice.
Bekimbo.
Ah, Okoma. Asikia. Call me Asikia.
Bekimbo. You look like Bekimbo. I like you. And you marry me.
Okoma. Where did that come from?
You marry me?
No. I won't marry you. Thank you.
Why? Me is young fisherman. And it's great tomorrow.
Hey. Okoma. I know you are a young and handsome fisherman. And no doubt you will become wealthy if you work at it. But I won't marry you. I had this love interest while I was at a TTC. I just can't see myself online.
Titi, love. Titi.
Mokoma Teachers Training College.
Oh. Leave him. Marry me. Is good.
You strike me like a very intelligent man, Mokoma. Why can't you come to school?
School?
Yes.
No.
Just come to school.
Me is old.
No, come on, Mokoma. It has nothing to do with education. Just come to school. You will like it. Okay?
Me is not go to school.
What's that?
Me is not go to school.
What
Me
are
is
you
love.
doing? Where are you going to? Are you ready? No. If I say, are you ready? You respond, yes, Miss Asikia. Say,
yes, Miss Asikia.
Good. So you will count after me. 1.
1.
2.
Mine.
What are you saying? I said 2.
Mine.
No, say 2.
2.
Again.
2.
Again.
2.
3.
3.
4.
Ini.
What are you saying? I said 4.
Ini.
Can you say 4?
4.
Say it again.
4.
Say it again.
4.
5.
5.
6.
6.
7.
7.
8.
8.
Beautiful. So I want someone to come and recite from number 1 to 8. Let me hear you.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Beautiful. Clap for her. Okay, I want someone else to try. Okay. Oh my word, what's going on here? Why are you so dressed up like this? You're looking beautiful.
Auntie Bikimbo, we're here to surprise you with our traditional dance step.
I can't wait. Oh my god. Okay, so who is playing the drum? You're dressed nicely. Who is playing the drum?
Oh yeah.
Oh, come on. You again?
I'm not going to get a leg. I'm not going to get a leg. I'll leg.
Okay.
I'm not coming far. I want that mixing, so.
Where is Ebere? It's true. Where is she?
She was supposed to be here, I'm very sure.
Yes.
Okaro. Chief, you sent for me.
Have you made up your mind yet?
I don't want to marry now. I want to go to school.
Did your mother put you to this?
My mother only wants the best for me. Mama Okaro.
Ebere, what's the matter? Ebere? Teenage angst. 1 minute they're brimming with vigor. The next minute, they are throwing tantrums. I wonder what bothers her.
Soboma, or whatever your name is called, leave my sister alone. You old man, leave her alone. I bet you don't want to see the other side of me.
How dare you talk to me in such a manner?
Oh, I can talk to you howsoever I deem fit. I care less about your title or whatsoever you represent.
Is this how your father taught you?
My father taught me right. When an elder adorned himself with the robe of foolishness, it is time to be an elder.
You call me a fool, me, Alabo Soboma.
My sister is not for sale, and she will not marry you. Get it into your thick skull.